of you were not here on Monday when we went over the centers. So you're going to want to take a close look when you get at the directions. Also, somebody at your center might be able to help you that was here, Louis. Okay? So green group, you're going to be with me at the table. Red group, Regine, Anthony, and Kimberly will be at fluency. Azuri, Cameron, and Evan will be at computers. Your computers are doing Compass this week. When you get on Compass, you click onto, I think, just reading, and then that will get you onto the social studies activity that you're supposed to do. Is that what happened when you were there?
There's like an orange.
Okay, thank you. Orange group, you independently reading your seats. Fill in your book logs if you finish a book. Work in your responses if you want to write a response about what you're reading. And yellow group, Adelaide, Ricardo, and Pedro will go to writing. Noah, Elise, Joelle, and Brian will go to cross-curricular. And again, the directions for those centers are posted. Group, you're going to walk quietly and meet me at the table with your folders ready. Orange group, I should see out on your desk what you're reading. Good job, Louis. Anthony, you're going to wait out in the hall for a minute. Red group, you're going to go to your center, and yellow group, go to your center. I'll be right there. I'm going to count back from 5, and you're going to be at your centers. 5, 4, 3, go to Miss Marshall's table to go. Timer's going to be set. Cameron, please set the timer for 25 minutes.
What center are you guys at?
Cross-curricular.
You guys, I take it you're at the reading center? What book are you reading?
I'm reading How to Survive.
Okay, that's good.
I'm reading I also.
Oh, nice. And what are you going to do after you finish the book?
We gotta put it in our reading log. Center, and we are reading Cloud Brothers are all yellow and
So what do you guys do when you finish reading that?
we just find another more clothes, and sometimes it's like more of them inside the bag and books. Yeah, I think we should read the book. Yeah. I'm B. I want to be C.
Do you guys use these fluency strategies up here?
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah.
So that would be a 3. I know you're going to teach me about frogs.
How's it going? Is this your first activity?
You see?
Okay.
Employers want to hire people who can work professional.
So that word multiple means what? Yeah, more than one. Good. And then if you look all the way at number 1, let's go down to 1. Look at what it says about details. So you might have talked about something, but you really didn't add any details or examples. So you'll notice how to some details all the way up to multiple. And this one is really important. If you make it more catchy, add some
So is this your usual spot? Yeah. Cool. What book are you reading?
The world's greatest valentine.
What are you making over here?
A Spanish word.
And then the directions are up here?
like how my independent readers are reading. They are focused and they're enjoying their books. I'm looking to see who went back to their seats. Nice and quiet. Evan, let's go. Cameron, let's go.
Oh, I'm sorry. What's your job?
I'm very interested in
For Centers?
sometimes crafts and stuff.
Okay. For the week? How long do you have that job?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
All right, my schedule works on actually a 2-week rotation, and there's 4 days that we do it each week. And that allows all of the students to get through all of the centers within a 2-week period. So for example, I have one of the reading groups would be with me, one of the groups would be with me. These students would be split. These 3 would be at fluency and these 3 would be at computers. This whole group would be at independent reading, so you'll see if the cards are the same, it means the whole group goes there. If the cards are different, it's because the students are split between a center. And so therefore the same with this one, the writing, these 3 would be at writing and these 3 would be at cross-curricular.
And then how do you switch it?
So every day at the end of the day, you just take the cards and rotate them. So the yellow group, I'm going to actually do it now because I didn't do it since yesterday. So the yellow group is now going to go over here and then you just move them over. So if you take a student, for example, let's just say Samara. So Samara today will be at fluency. The next day she would be over here at independent reading. The next day she'd be at writing. So say that follows out the week and then it's the end of the week. The next week I would just flip the cards upside down. That way Samara now, when she goes here, instead of being at fluency, she'll be at computer. And that allows for the 2 weeks rotation so that everyone gets through all the centers. If a student just needs to go into a different group, say they're doing really well, they're making great progress, I might bump them to a higher group. So obviously that's easy enough to do. You just switch them to another color.